Namaste, myself Deekshith Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel Deekshith Kumar Puttur. Friends, today we are going to study about Cramer's rule of two variables, that is 2 into 2 matrix. Cramer's rule or solving the equation by Cramer's rule is one of the very easiest method of solving the values. Now let us study about Cramer's rule 2 into 2 matrix. Before going to the concept, I request all of you to subscribe my YouTube channel for future video updates. Now I'll take one equation 3x minus 5y is equal to 4. X plus 2y is equal to 5. Here we can see only x and y. So there is no any z, since only x and y are the two variables. That is why this equation consisting of only two variables, that is x and y. In solving Cramer's rule, there is a general rule that to find the value of x we need delta 1 divided by delta or a determinant, y is equal to delta 2 divided by delta. So by using this formula we have to find the value of x and y. To solve this simultaneous equation, let us begin the delta. How to calculate delta? Delta is nothing but writing the values of x and y. Here I have 3x, so I will take only 3, and likewise here minus 5y, I will write minus 5, and here I have x, so I will take the value of 1 as x. Here I have 2y, I will take the value 2. So this is the determinant. So now I have to solve this determinant by cross multiplying. That is 3 into 2 minus multiplying minus 5 into 1. Minus 5 into 1. Again I will show you 3 into 2 cross multiplying minus, according to the rule we have to deduct minus 5 into 1. So 3 into 2 6 minus 5 into 1 is nothing but minus 5. So minus into minus plus 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. This is delta. Now delta 1. Here the same method is adopted but little change than the delta. In delta I have written 3, 1, minus 5 and 2, taking the values of x and y from the two equations. Now in delta 1 I will replace first column by the answers, equation answers. That is, instead of 3 and 1, I will write 4 and 5. Second column as it is minus 5 and 2. This is delta 2. So the difference between delta and delta 1 is nothing but only the first column. Delta 1, first column has to be replaced by the answers. Same method is adopted, cross multiplication. 4 into 2 minus 5 into 5. 4 into 2 minus 5 into 5. 4 into 2 8 minus 5 into 5 minus 25. So minus into minus plus 8 plus 25 is equal to 33. This is delta 1. Now delta 2. While writing delta 2, first column of delta is the same. 3, 1. Now second column has to be replaced by the answer. Instead of minus 5 and 2, I will write 4 and 5. Same method, cross multiplication. 3 into 5 minus 4 into 1. 3 into 5 minus 4 into 1. 3 into 5, 15 minus 4 into 1, 4. So 15 minus 4 is equal to 11. That is delta 2. After getting delta, delta 1 and delta 2, we can find the value of x and y. As I said, x is equal to delta 1 divided by delta. Here delta 1 is 33. Divided by delta is 11. One thing I forgot to tell, while doing delta should not be equal to 0. You should keep in mind while calculating delta, the first value, it should not be equal to 0. Then only we can move forward. X is equal to 33 divided by 11. 11 1s are 11 3s are. So x is equal to 3. Y is equal to delta 2 divided by delta. According to our answer, delta 2 is 11 and delta is 11. So 11 1s are 11 1s are. The answer is 1. Now we found the value of x as well as y. That is, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. We have solved the Cramer's rule. Now we have to verify this, whether this answer is correct or not. How to verify this? It's also very easy. Just we have to substitute the values of x as well as y in any one of the equations. Either you may take first equation or second equation. Let us take the second equation. I will substitute the value of x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1 in the place of x and y. Second equation is x plus 2y is equal to 5. In the place of x, I will put 3 plus 2. In the place of y, I will write 1. It should be 5. 3 plus 2 into 1 is equal to 2 equals to 5. So now we are verified that our values x and y are correct. This is the way of solving the Cramer's rule. I will repeat the methods. First, in order to find the value of x, we need to find the delta, because x is equal to delta 1 divided by delta, y is equal to delta 2 divided by delta. Finding the delta is nothing but writing the values of equations x and y. 3 minus 5 I have taken 1 2. Determinant method the same. 3 into 2, that is cross multiplication. 3 into 2 minus 5 into 1. So by this method we got 11 as the answer. Delta 1, the change in the delta and delta 1 is the first column of delta should be replaced by the answer. That is, instead of 3 and 1, I have replaced by 4 and 5. The remaining methods are same. By that we got 33 as answer. Delta 2, here first column is the original delta, the second column 4 and 5 have replaced minus 5, 2 by the answers. So changes in every step is delta as it is we are writing the values of x and y. In delta 1 we are replacing the first column by the answer. In the delta 2 we are replacing the second column by the answer. The remaining method of calculating the determinants are same. So after finding the values of D1, D2, we are going to find the value of x. That is, already I said x is equal to delta 1 divided by delta, y is equal to delta 2 divided by delta. So 33 divided by 11 is equal to 3. Here 11 divided by 11 is equal to 1. So x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. Also we have verified our answer by substituting these values in equation number 2. Let us solve another problem. X plus y is equal to 5. 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Two equations consisting of two variables x and y. First equation is x plus y is equal to 5, equation number 1. 2x plus 3y is equal to 12, equation number 2. The same method, the same procedure what we have done in the last problem, in the same method we have to solve this equation. First we have to write x is equal to delta 1 divided by delta, y is equal to delta 2 divided by delta. Delta or determinant is equal to, first I'll take the values, x, here only x is there, and in the place of y only y is there. Since x and y are there, I'll take the values as 1, 1. Here 2 x's are there, so I'll write 2, and here 3y, so I'll take 3. Cross multiplication, 1 into 3. 1 into 3 minus 1 into 2. 1 into 3 is equal to 3. 1 into 2 is equal to 2, that is minus is there. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 is not equal to 0. Delta 1. Now first column has to be replaced by the equation answers, that is, instead of 1 and 2 I am going to write 5, 12. Second column as it is 1, 3. Cross multiplication, 5 into 3 minus 1 into 12. 15 minus 1 into 12, that is 12. 15 minus 12 is equal to 3. This is delta 1. Delta 2 is equal to first column as it is, that is 1 and 2. Second column 1 and 3. This 1 and 3 has to be replaced by the answer 5, 12. Solving the determinant, that is cross multiplication from 1 to into 12 minus 5 into 2. 1 into 12 is equal to 12 minus 5 into 2 is equal to 10. 12 minus 10 is equal to 2. After finding the values of After finding the values of delta, delta 1 and delta 2, we are finding values of x, delta 1 divided by delta, that is delta 1 is 3, delta is 1. So x is equal to 3. Y is equal to delta 2 divided by delta. 2 divided by 1, y is equal to 2. Let us verify this answer in any one of the equation. I will take the first equation, x plus y is equal to 5, equation number 1. In the place of x I will put 3, in the place of y I put 2, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So 5 is equal to 5. Thus we have verified our problem. The answer is correct. So this is the method of solving Cramer's rule of two variables. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Stay connected by subscribing my YouTube channel for future video updates. Thank you.